Wow. Sherin Latif. Second place goes to Sherin Latif.
ஒரு பெரிய கைத்தட்டல் கொடுக்கலாம். She has won the second prize among you all. I request Mr. Arumugam, Assistant Manager of the Hindu, to please hand over the certificates. Congratulations. I request Ms. Maheshwari, marketing team, and Mr. Santanam, ASM from Gold Winner, to hand over the gift hampers from Gold Winner. I request Mr. Arun, team leader from Butterfly, to hand over the gift hamper from Butterfly. I request Mr. Muthukumar, sales, RKG Agmagi, to hand over the gift hamper from RKG Agmagi. I request Dr. Chef Damu to please hand over the gift hamper from Ashirwad. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Periya kaithagal kodukkalam. And I request one volunteer from Allied Foods to hand over the gift hamper from Allied Foods. Congratulations.
எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது செகண்ட் பிளேஸ் வந்தாச்சு, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பிளேஸாக இருக்கு நம்மளுக்கு.